Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set charging animation in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and press on Dynamic Effects. Here you can see the option of charging animation. Click on this. From here, you can choose your charging animation. You can choose one of them which you like. After choosing your charging animation, you have to press on Apply. That's it. So this is how to set charging animation in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.